How to fix media creation tool error 0x80070006, 0x90018 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check USB drive for issues. A faulty or incompatible USB drive can often cause the 0x80070006 0x90018 error. Ensuring the drive is properly formatted and has enough storage space can resolve the issue quickly. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Note which USB drive matches which disk. Let's say it's disk 1, adjust as required, so next commands would be as follows. Permissions can prevent the media creation tool from accessing necessary system files or making changes, leading to this error. Running the tool as an administrator can bypass such restrictions. Fix 3. Delete temporary files. Corrupted temporary files can interfere with the media creation tool's operation. Removing these files can clear any conflicts. Fix 4. Repair corrupted system files. Corrupted system files can prevent the tool from functioning correctly. Running system checks can repair these files and resolve the issue. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Fix 5. Reset Windows Update components. Issues with Windows Update components can lead to errors when downloading or preparing installation files. Resetting these components can restore proper functionality. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter.